Welcome to Izzy's restaurant. What can I get? And today we have is a special of play-doh kitchen curation.
Can I please get pancakes?
Okay. What else?
Bacon.
Okay.
And can I also please get some strawberries?
Okay. They'll be ready in 2 minutes.
Do I need a number?
Oh yeah, I nearly forgot. You forgot. Yeah. Your number 94. Okay. Here's your number.
Thank you.
Your breakfast will be ready soon, okay?
Okay. I think Chef Izzy is really good at cooking.
Let me get her food ready with the Play-Doh kitchen breakfast baking now. This should be the best. Let's see. Okay. This is the makeup. And here's the Play-Doh. So let me open this up. There's syrup. We have some cards to show you how to make things. So I'll need the pancake. I think this one should be a pancake one. And here's the rest. We'll pick up another knife. Then Play-Doh. And get it out. There we go.
Okay, Emma, let me give you some milk whilst our breakfast is getting ready.
Let me close it. There we go. This is the first pancake. And you put on the plate. Then she also wanted some bacon. Eat that little bit. Now, put two more. Flatten it. Put bacon on. Then I need to make waffles. Put it here and I cut it. And there we go. Then show this syrup. And first I need to make the strawberry. Then syrup. Go to the front. There's here we go. Now I just need to make the syrup for the pancakes. Let's see. Here's this one. Syrup. Close it. Put it in. I need the pancakes. And then the right one. And squeeze. bit off. And to open it. And then there's a bit more left. Squeeze. And there we go. Let me go and serve it to them now. And our number 94. Number 94. Here we go. Thank you. And here's your breakfast.
This looks delicious. And can I please have a drink?
Okay. Put a bit on that. Here are your drinks. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Chef Izzy.
You're welcome.
I wonder what this tastes like. Yum, 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 yum. It tastes amazing. Let me have some of my drink. I really like it. You can have the strawberry and then I'll share some of my pancake. First, let me cut a little bit for you. Here's your piece. Hold it. And then you can eat your food. Don't worry, I'll clean it. Oh no.